Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've ever struggled with laying down your lace closure or using Got2b to lay down your lace closure wigs and make it look as natural as possible, well, this video is for you. In the video, I'm just showing you guys my everyday wig tutorial. Nothing fancy, it's literally what I do every day. But in this video, I'm not wearing a wig cap because I didn't have one, so yeah. And I also don't show you guys how I style my wig, but if you would like to see more videos on how I style my hair, leave your suggestions down in the comments below. I'd be happy to make a video. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts because that's what we're going to do all 2018 and get this channel popping, okay? The hair that I'm wearing in this video is going to be from an AliExpress vendor that I got about a month ago in the lengths 14, 16, and 18 with a 12-inch closure. If you need to do a hair review on this hair, go ahead and leave those comments in the comment section below and I'll be happy to do it. So let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so as you can see, my lace is very dirty. If you want a flawless install to your wig, you want to begin by making sure that the lace is clean. So I'm just going in with some random conditioner to get that lace clean and just gently rubbing it off and scrubbing and then rinsing it out. You can literally use whatever's in your house or whatever shampoo or conditioner as long as that dirt gets out of the lace. Alright, now you guys can see me just brushing my edges back. You want to make sure that your edges are out of the way, slicked back as neatly as possible so that they don't get in the way of the Got2b glue that you will be placing on your hairline to adhere the wig to your forehead. Okay, now that you guys can see that the edges are back, the lace is clean, we're just going to go ahead and take our Got2b glue and start to apply layers to our hairline. Alright, so here you guys just see me fanning it with my hand. In a minute, I'll just be taking my mirror to fan it. You do want to make sure that you have a handheld mirror so that you can see closely what you're doing as you apply your lace to your hairline. Alright guys, and now I'm just going to show a clip on the top right corner of me customizing my lace closure. I do not like how it comes. As you can see the difference of me plucking it and how it came straight. If you guys want to see a video on that, just leave that down in the comments. Okay, so this is very important. Make sure you have like a rat tail comb or anything pointy so that you're able to guide the lace down. I focus mainly on the very tip of the edges because that part tends to lift up if it's not securely placed down into the glue. Okay, if you have excessive glue still hanging around your forehead, it's totally fine. Don't worry, it comes right off with a wet wipe or some alcohol or just water. Make sure you don't get your baby hairs in it though. In most videos, people at this point would take out their blow dryer, but I'm just using my handheld mirror to get some wind on this glue so that it's dry for about like a minute or so. And that is my final results after the lace is down and dry. And you can see like some black in my scalp, but that is just my braids showing through. Alright guys, and I put in a little clip so that you can see how my hair looks with a wig cap on. The black goes away and that is the stocking cap method. So lastly, I'm just going in with a Q-tip to get that excess glue off, and after that you guys should be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in my next one.